Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to show the preview from HOVERAir X1 Air. To show the preview, click on Smart Preview, and now you can see the preview right here. You can go to photo or video mode and shoot it. Now it's shooting, you can see the red light. You can stop the shoot. You can go to settings and change the flight mode, the duration, the distance, the altitude. You can also go to camera settings. Also, when I press here, it will change the flight mode to any of those. And you can also change the flight mode within the app. No, not clicking here, but going to hover settings, then find flight settings and choose the mode you want to set, then click on switch to follow mode. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.